Hi friends, so this video shows how to do screen mirroring. So first we need to open screen mirroring app on TV. So let me open screen mirroring app on this TV. So this is the name of the mirroring app. So in your TV the name will be different. You have to search for mirroring app, then open it. So let me open this app. So then keep this screen on, don't do anything. Then take your mobile phone, then go to settings, tap on settings app icon, then go down, then select smart mirroring, tap on the smart mirroring, then tap on screen mirroring, then enable screen mirroring here, tap here and enable screen mirroring. So now I enable screen mirroring. Now it's searching for nearby devices. So here you can see the name of the TV, tap on that. So now it's connecting, please wait. So after this, if you want to switch to full screen mode, you can enable screen rotation on your mobile phone, then just rotate the phone. It will automatically switch the display to the full screen. Okay, it's done. So now you can see it's done. So this way we can do screen mirroring. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe my channel, please like and share the video.